Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Olivier and Alima. Today we're going to talk about Mesh by Amazon niche research for Christmas. First of all, if it's your first time, welcome. My name is Oliver, and I'm bringing you tips and tricks on how to make money online with print on demand. Quick reminder, Podly launched recently a trademark protection for your Mesh by Amazon account. So if you didn't get a chance, have a look, use the link below, and you will be able to get with this code trademark 99 $1 for 1 month. Or if you are serious about your business, you can get 1 year for only $99. Of course, the tool we're gonna use today for our Mesh by Amazon niche research for Christmas is gonna be Podly. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the archive. And in the archive, we're gonna select the Marketplace USA, product tab t-shirt. Now in terms of the period, we're gonna look for design created last year in 2021, December. We're gonna look for design that were bestseller t-shirt around the 10th of December, but you can choose any date. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna look for design that were bestseller on the December 10th, 2021. So I select the 10th and I click on set date and then on search. You can search. This will filter all the design that were bestseller last year, as I just mentioned. Now what we're gonna do, you're gonna check on design that you can replicate. Of course, we don't want to copy exactly how they are, but it's just to have some inspiration. For example, and if you are following for a long time, you know that I'm a huge fan of scalable design. So when I see design like this one, nice, naughty, innocent, anti-proven, guilty, where I can change anything here on this last quote here, I'm really interested in that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this heart button here just to save it as a favorite. And then I will continue like that. Fast food, this one, even if it's a bestseller, it's not something that I can scale because I would like to create a lot of design because I have the slot. But if you don't have the slot, you can still select a design that you're interested to or design that you can replicate, that you can create. Let's continue our research to look for scalable design, always based on Christmas. I don't want to create design that are in particular niche. I'm really looking for Christmas design that I can replicate. But if I go down, I can see here, Dear Santa, my brother did it. So I'm pretty sure I can change brother by sister, but let's go to Amazon and look for what is already selling. So Dear Santa, my, and let's see what is auto-completed. So when I type in Dear Santa here, I can see Dear Santa, I can explain. Dear Santa, it was Papa idea. Dear Santa, they are the naughty one. Dear Santa, my brother did it, etc., etc. So this is the kind of phrase that I'm looking for. Okay, so I can see that on Podly, using Podly, that this phrase, Dear Santa, my brother did it, has a bestseller of 7,000. That means that it was making more than $100 per day for sure, because I have in the past had Dear Q4 in Q4 a t-shirt that was around 60,000 BSR and it was making more than 100 a day. So this one is very much like maybe $500 or some, so maybe $500 a day. So if you create Dear Santa, my brother did it, and with any other variation that we have right there, okay, I'm pretty sure we will make some sales. So this is the one, Dear Santa, my brother did it. So let's find another one for you rapidly. All I want for Christmas is a new president. So again, I go to Amazon and I'm gonna see if I can find something. All I want for Christmas. So we can see here, all I want for Christmas is a new president. Of course, we don't want to create this one is you because it's a lyric of a song. And I have one here, all I want for Christmas is an hippopotamus. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look for, of course, if this phrase all I want for Christmas is not trademark, and if not, I'm gonna create certainly one for new president, for hippopotamus, and any other variation that I can find either on Amazon or Google. Okay, so this is exactly what you have to do. You go to Podly. Remember, you have the link below when you can have access to Podly for only $1 for 30 days, or you can have Podly for 1 year for only $99. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.